Alright, my name is Asad Yaqub and I'm going to start with your IELTS speaking test. Do you work or study?
I study and work as well because I love to study and doing job at the same time because I think it enhances your skills and it improves to some extent to participate in the other activities of life and
Okay,
it
what
builds.
do you do?
I do teaching in a school. In that school, I teach 5 class. In that class, the students are very good. They perform very well, and they interest each and every activity which I done them.
Okay, let's talk about your family. How often do you spend time with your family members?
Well, I spend many time with my family because due to COVID-19, it is very good for you to stay at home and spending more and more time with your family because it is very suspicious to go outside and have some kind of disease with yourself.
What do you do when you spend time with your family?
Well, I do many things. First of all, I like to watch some kind of comedy movie which creates some kind of amusement among us, and also we like to make something delicious and entertain others with our cooking.
Okay, are you close to all of your family members?
Yes, I think I am close enough because I am a younger sister of my siblings, so they love me a lot and they also crack some kind of funny jokes with me, and when they do anything they call me first because they think I develop their interest in that thing.
Okay, do you prefer to spend time with your family at home or outside?
Well, I think it depends on my mood. When I feel lazy, I prefer to stay at home and to sleep and do some other kind of activities which help me to not use my energy. But at some time, I would like to go outside, watching movie, doing shopping, or eating at some kind of restaurant.
Okay, that's good. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Okay, you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, I know many old persons, but the favorite person is my grandfather. My grandfather is a very good person by heart. They help others when the other needs something. My grandfather has some leader qualities because they can deal with every kind of situation. The reason I like him is that she change any kind of situation into another. When we are sad, they crack some kind of joke and create some kind of enjoyment in that situation. And the other reason that I like him is that they always take my side when my parents are advising me or not allowing me to go outside. They take my side, and and that thing amuse me very much. And the other thing is that in our society, the old people require a lot of respect, and by giving respect we can give them a lot of energy, and they can also protect themselves from many kind of disease because by giving respect their blood level is increases, and they become a social person and enhances their qualities in that environment. I respect my grandfather because I think they deserve that kind of respect, because respect is very essential in our culture. In our culture, respect is given to the elders, which is very important and very helpful.
Okay, that's good. We now move on with IELTS speaking part 3. What qualities does a person need to have to take care of old people?
Well, I think the person should be very magnetic. They have several kind of qualities, like they know when the old person need to go out, or when the old person needs some kind of medication or some kind of other regular therapist.
Okay, do you think old people should be taken care of at home?
Uh, I think it depends upon their health condition, because if they are critical at their health issues, then we should appoint some kind of nurses at home, or on the other side, if they are healthy enough to stay at home, then it is good to stay at home, because it is not
Okay.
good to
How
go
can
outside.
people in the neighborhood help the elderly during any epidemic?
Well, I think at this time, due to COVID-19, we can help old people by cooking something for them, by bring some kind of groceries for them, and by entertain some kind of movies or sport with them.
Okay. Do you see this kind of help occurring in your neighborhood?
Well, a person, an old person which is stayed in our society, which is he is about 65 years old. He is and their family moved to Canada. They live here alone, and we often help them in many ways.
Okay, that's the end of your IELTS speaking test. May you have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.